current Dogelon Mars cost basically is $0.000025. The cost of Dogelon Mars for the most part has fallen by 2.51% in the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely huge. Elon generally rose 1.42% in 7 days, or so they thought. Elon's by and large intraday volume essentially remains at $1,078,656, which for the most part is genuinely huge. 28 September 2023, in this video we will especially walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly generally sought clarification on some things, facts, what in a real sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, in a real sense, is Elon a truly wise venture? By and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the Elon specialized examination, generally let us essentially discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, which is very huge. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,057,668,317,807, which truly is very critical. The truly all-out exchanging volume really remains at $26,382,683,370 in an exceptionally significant manner. Bitcoin shares 48.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, showing how Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels, and so on, or so they essentially thought. Which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87%, or so they in every practical sense thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.01%, coming to $1,625.48 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.81, following a value change of 0.57% within a similar time span in a very significant manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, sort of is somewhere around 0.72, and as of now exchanging at 50 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is genuinely huge. These occasions really show that the market most certainly is going in an especially descending heading for fundamentally momentary and an unpretentious manner. Right now, a sort of broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.01%, coming to $1,625.48 during the past 24 hours, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars execution. The kind of day-to-day diagram of Dogelon Mars fundamentally shows that the Elon cost certainly has a really descending development, with a 2.51% reduction in lovely beyond 24 hours, so various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.01%, coming to $1,625.48 during the past 24 hours incredibly. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin generally is remaining at $0.000000884425, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, exhibiting how the value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin explicitly is remaining at $0.000000884425, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, which fundamentally is very critical. Elon cost changes 1.42% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume certainly is drifting around $1,078,656 United States dollars in a fundamentally significant manner. What all things considered makes Dogelon Mars extraordinary, which especially is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars sort of purposes a hilarious genuinely comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the cosmic system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home, with the assistance of the companions he's made during his in every practical sense, goes through the stars. Genuinely a few fundamentally short comics basically are distributed on the coin's site that follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he by and large meets companions and goes on experiences, which generally is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars doesn't truly have a guide in essence, yet rather fostered a dream variant through its comics, showing how Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the cosmic system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home, with the assistance of the companions he's made during his for the most part goes through the stars. Essentially a few truly short comics in a real sense are distributed on the coin's site that especially follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he explicitly meets companions and goes on experiences, or so they sort of thought. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will need to battle for kind of endurance against the Annihilators in an unpretentious manner. This fantasized form proposes that once the coin for the most part is recorded on all kind of significant trades, the cost of elon will truly reach Mars, or, in certainly different words, it will exchange at a truly much genuinely higher valuation, which explicitly shows that the truly all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $26,382,683,370 in a sort of enormous manner. Nonetheless, annihilators, by which the unpredictability of the crypto markets could for the most part be implied, will explicitly be an issue the local area will explicitly need to battle against, showing how elon by and large rose 1.42% in 7 days, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Practically speaking, elon in every way that really matters is an image coin absent a lot of utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask in a sort of significant manner. In any case, taking into account it certainly has a powerful blend of genuinely a few extremely memeable credits in its title, Elon Musk, Doge, Moon Mars, Dogelon Mars could sort of like quickly if the genuinely in general cryptographic money market appreciates and the gamble hunger for image coins increments, so what especially makes Dogelon Mars novel? Most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. How genuinely numerous Dogelon Mars, elon, coins fundamentally are there available for use, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The truly complete stock of elon especially is 1 quadrillion, so nonetheless, taking into account it in a real sense, has a strong blend of genuinely a few extremely memeable credits in its title, Elon Musk, Doge, Moon Mars, Dogelon Mars could sort of like quickly if the very by and large digital money market appreciates and the gamble hunger for image coins increments. So what most certainly makes Dogelon Mars fundamentally exceptional in an unpretentious manner. Half of all elon tokens generally have been fundamentally shipped off Vitalik Buterin, the pioneer behind Ethereum, with an end goal to for the most part consume the tokens and basically eliminate them from flow really. Showing how elon cost change